Rosedale Golf and Country Club is a beautiful, gated, golf and country club community. Surrender to Surreal. Casual elegance and tranquil living spaces await you in this furnished, maintenance-free home, 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bath and 2-car garage. You will be impressed with the volume ceilings, extensive crown molding, open floor plan and light, bright interior, lake view from the extended screen lanai, your classic pergola surrounded by colorful plants and the sounds of a water fountain. The perfect balance between casual indoor and outdoor living. Look at recent improvements: freshly painted interior, master bathroom, custom closets in master walk-in and second bedroom, composite steel pergola, outdoor lighting, electric outdoor awning, and extended brick pavers. Is your passion golf, tennis, or just socializing with friends and family? Rosedale Golf and Country Club has something for you. Excellent location, minutes to UT Mall, world-class rowing and shopping, fine dining, sports campuses, social clubs, parks, trails, Polo Fields, sandy beaches of Holmes Beach, Anna Maria Island Beach, Lido Beach and Siesta Key Beach, rated #1 beach in US 2020, beautiful sunsets over Gulf of Mexico, Street. Armand Circle, Sarasota/Bradenton Airport, Ringling School of Art and Design, downtown Sarasota, Marina Jack, and don't forget